Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some really cool DIYs to share with you. They're simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I have created today, just keep on watching. So for my first DIY, I'm going to be using this container. You guys, I have really enjoyed being creative with these disinfectant wipe containers in the last couple videos. I'm going to be using this green metallic paint that I picked up from my local craft store, and I'm just going to paint the outside of my container. If you're new to my channel, welcome! It's wonderful to have you with us today. I'm Mrs. Bobby, also known as your Queen of Glitter, and I upload videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you're notified whenever I upload a video. I'll be using these geometric stickers that are from Dollar Tree. So guys, these stickers do have that sticky backing, but I wanted to make sure they stayed in place, so I'm going to be using some hot glue. Now guys, I am really enjoying these stickers as well as this color combination. I feel like it's super fun and a twist on summer. So yeah, hopefully I can find more of these stickers at the Dollar Tree. I was only able to find one the last time I was there. But yeah, let me know, do you guys like these stickers or are they a little much for you? You guys, I had some leftover clothespins that I had spray painted and taken apart from a previous project, so I decided to use them in this project. What you see me doing here is just applying my clothespins in an up-down pattern. an old candle pedestal that I picked up from the Dollar Tree a couple years back, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out to the garage to spray paint it, and of course I'll be spray painting it gold. Right here, I'm just going to attempt to hot glue my two pieces together. I normally do this off camera because it is so hard for me to get my DIYs centered. For my next DIY, I'm going to be using this bowl, and it's from Dollar Tree. I'll be starting off with this white crafter's paint, and I'm just going to paint the inside of my bowl. I'll be using this jumbo confetti that I picked up from my local craft store. I'll be using this smaller clear bowl, and it is also from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to paint the inside of my smaller bowl with some gold metallic paint. So here's how it turned out. Now I'm just going to hot glue the two bowls together. So guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this little video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe as well as hitting the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.